Greetings to one and all. This is a short video to help you use the Google Classroom app. Before we begin, I request you to shift to full screen so that you don't miss any portion of the demo screen. So this image must have been shared with you by your teachers. As you can see, there are 4 icons present in this image. And these are the 4 ways in which a teacher can share work with you in the Google Classroom app. We'll be taking them one by one. So the first one is a clipboard. Let me just point out these icons for you. So as you see, the first one is a clipboard. Basically, this is an assignment. This will happen, or this will be given to you, wherein you have to submit back a PDF or an image, and the same will be checked by your teacher. Secondly is material, this one. So basically, this will contain most of your OCC, wherein any video or any PDF that you have to watch or read will be shared through this feature, the material. Thirdly is the question one. So basically, this is any question that your teacher may ask you. Also, this will be used for attendance. You have to mark the attendance here every time. The last one is for announcements. So any announcement made by the teacher will be done through this icon or feature. So we'll be directly moving into one of the classes and further explain the features. So as you can see, at the topmost there is the assignment feature. So I'll tap here, and the assignment is to submit chapter 4 of my notebook, maybe any subject. So right here, right now it is mentioned science. So I can submit chapter 4 question answers of the science subject. So this slider, as you can see, this goes up. I have to add an attachment. I'll press add attachment. Therein, if it is a 1-page document, you can take a photograph, but if it is more, you should send a PDF. As you can see, the third option, file, we'll tap on that. So after tapping on file, here you can see I tapped on documents, and I'll be uploading one PDF here. So this might take a second or a minute depending on the internet connection. So as you can see, the PDF has been uploaded. Now you can upload multiple PDFs or multiple images. As you can see that this add attachment button, herein you can add even more files. So if I press on file or I take a photograph, that can be done. So right now we'll hand in this. Hand in means to submit this document. Confirm. Yeah. So unsubmit is also a feature, but initially don't unsubmit your documents. Alright. So I hope this assignment portion is clear. We'll be moving on to the next one, that is material. This one. So as I said, the icon is like a book. So let me tap on the material. Most of your OCC will be shared through this feature. So herein the instructions have been given. A PDF has been attached. Let me tap on the PDF and it will open. So this is a dummy file. The question answers will be mentioned in your regular work. Secondly, there's a video. As you can see, I'll just have to tap on the video. And when I tap on the video, I'll be taken to YouTube or any other place where the video has been posted. So I hope this document, like this feature, is clear. Thirdly, there's the question feature as told to you, this one. Herein, the teacher can ask you any question, but mostly this will be used for attendance. So it is already marked that I have attended the class and I have to tap and submit. It has already been done here. I can also add a private comment that the teacher will be able to see, ma'am, present, but that is not required. Lastly, as told to you, this feature is for all the announcements that your class teacher or the subject teacher can make. Maybe a test, maybe some important event will be shown through this. Now you have to see that we were right now on the stream page. There you go, the stream page. And Now we'll move on to the classwork page, the second option. So when I go to classwork, all subject wise work will be sorted here and will be present here. Another feature that you need to see is this. When I tap on this logo or on this button, I'll be able to see all my work that has been given and that needs to be done. We'll go back. Now I'll press at the top left side, you see three sleeping lines. I'll tap there. Therein there's an option of to do. This to do will also let me know what all work is left that needs to be done with all the deadlines. See? So this is what is to do, and this will show done, will show all the work that has already been done. So all your work is sorted. So I hope you are able to use Google Classroom. Just in case you have any doubt, do let us know. Thank you.